As you can see here, this is the long hauler in reference to the house we're at. Yippee! Definitely need to create a nice parking spot because it's taking up quite a bit of the driveway here. I want to get me Bobcat. Just drive it over. RV'er. Meanwhile, there's hello, and there's a guardian over there too. I know. How you guys doing? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Come on. Don't be shy. He knows. He's got to get his stuff. Turn around. He's gonna get in here. Keep it going. There he goes. Yeesh! Well, got some work to do, I guess. Within 10 minutes of each other, I got a delivery of stone and I got a delivery of a skid steer. So let's get rolling and get this thing, you know, rolling. Here we go. Let's get this, fix it up. Well, it's about 40 minutes later and I think I pretty much got it. Still a low point here. Not much I can do about that. I can build that back up a bit, but I think I'm gonna do it with some stone. Yeah, so got some dirt in the back, I guess I can drag forward here. Here we go, the first load of stone. Okay, got some of my landscape fabric down. And we're going to start backfilling with gravel. Did you? Well, it's late, and I managed to just Ding that corner, son of a gun. Because the stuff was not filled in, so the skid steer tilted and nicked the side of the house. Dang it. I know. But you know what? It could be worse. Ouch. Those corners are available in any of your local aluminum siding stores. So we're gonna fix that. But in the meantime, we got quite a bit filled in here. Still got more to go back there. And as you can see, I'm trying to keep off the neighbor's property. Well, it's 11:15 on Saturday, and I have managed to knock the pile down, but I believe these guys gifted me a lot more stone than I asked for. I said it was about 10 tons. I think it was a little bit more than 10 tons. And so I've got a stockpile in the back there where I basically put enough